Hi children, very good morning to you all. Happy Wednesday. Children, today in our phoning scale book you have to open page number 27 and today's topic is B or sound words. Here you have many B or, C or and D or sounds. Today we are going to learn only B or sound words. BR means br. BR means br. BR means what? Br. Okay. So here you have many pictures. So let's learn this verse, children. Okay. B R O W N. Brown. Br A Va N. Brown. Okay. See. Br A Va N. Brown. See, vowel sounding W, you should not touch the lips. You should enlarge your mouth and you should say Va. For V, you will touch the bottom lip. Got it, children? This is the difference between V and W. Okay, Br, A, V, N. Brown. Brown means brown color. So, branch. Branch means in a plant or tree we have many, there will be many branches, children. You can see many branches. So here also you can see branch. Yes. Okay, branch. 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 Children, ch means you should say ch. In Kannada second ch will come, no? For ch you should say second cha. Got it, children? For th we will say second tha. Okay, once again I will tell you ch means you should say ch. Ch. Branch. Okay. Brick. So you can say the brick here. Okay. BRICK. 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 Okay. Brick. Brick. Okay, here we have CK, so that you should leave the hair out and you should say CK. Brick. Okay, bread. Oh, here you can see the bread. See, BREAD, bread. Bread. Here you have two vowels. Don't sound the second vowel, sound only first vowel. Okay, children? Okay, BREAD, bread. Bread. You can observe, I am sounding the short sound here. You can observe. Yes, because if the word has more than 4 letters, you can sound the short sound, children. Got it? BREAD, bread. Bread. Okay. Next. BRIDGE, bridge. What is this? Bridge. So, bridge. Why? See, for G we should sound G, no? Why we are sounding J? Why we are sounding J? Why? Because, so, after G we have oval here. You can see, children, after G you have a vowel. You observed, children? In giraffe also we will say J. Why? GI we will come GI, it will come for giraffe, no? GIRAFFE, giraffe, no? For that also we will sound J. Why? So after G in the giraffe word you can observe GI. Yes. Here also, so after G you have a vowel. So it is E vowel. So if the vowel comes after G, you should sound it as J only. Got it? Got it? So how you have to sound? Got it? So if the vowel comes after G, you have to sound J only. Okay. You have to observe this, children. Okay. J. Bridge. Got it? So you have a vowel here. You should sound J. Bridge. So for high here we have a short sound. Okay. Bridge. Okay. Broom. Broom. Already we have learned If you have O means you should sound oo in Kannada. Okay. Br, oo, ma, broom. BROOM, broom. Okay. Brush. Br, sh, brush. I am sounding a short sound here, children. Keep in mind. SH means you should say sh in Kannada. Keep in mind. SH means sh. CH means ch, second ch. TH means second th. Okay. Br, sh, brush. Got it, children? Here you can see a brush. Okay. Next. Bro, bro, broccoli, broccoli. So everyone will pronounce wrong, children. Even sometimes I used to pronounce wrong. So today I am going to tell you the correct pronunciation. Broccoli, broccoli. Got it, children? So here you should sound the ah sound, short sound of O. Okay, broccoli, broccoli. Okay. Broccoli, broccoli. Okay. So here you have double C, so that you should stress little for ka sound. Okay. Broccoli, broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli. Got it, children? Practice these words properly. And you have to send the video with good pronunciation, children. Bye bye. Enjoy your day.